All right, so we made it day 3 of the fair. Today's the Derby. I brought the stock mower, the Beast, and I got Country Grammar, my big mod mower. Unfortunately, the Gravely won't start. I think it's got a bad coil. I brought extras, but none of them seem to be fixing, so it won't run tonight, but it's going to run in about 2 weeks at the kickback, so the 16th. But we're still going to run this guy tonight. We got a lot of tractors showed up. We'll walk around just talking to some people and see how everything goes. So here we are. We made it out here with the PA guys. They came down here, Tractor Mafia guys. They brought down their machines. What do you guys think's going to happen tonight?
A lot of pain.
A lot of pain, he says.
Gonna have fun.
We'll have some fun. Man, these things are fucking monsters. And they got a little 13-year-old girl that's gonna be running this bad boy in the stock class. That thing's pretty sweet. I don't know, guys. I think it's gonna be a good night tonight.
It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be rowdy, but that's how we like to get down.
That's it. I like it. Here we are with Jathan. What do you think's gonna happen this evening? You ready? Are you ready? What do you think's gonna happen this evening?
We're gonna go forwards.
We're gonna go forwards, no, not backwards?
No.
All right. All right. How about you, Dylan? You in the Jeep? What do you think? You don't know? How about Beef? Beef, you in your Jeep?
I ain't driving it.
Yeah. Oh, here we go.
After last year, Jacob, I had to put another driver in.
Hey, he looks like he knows what he's doing, though. Yeah, I'm telling you.
I doubt it.
So we're out here. This is a track this evening. It's pretty nice. Don't look too awful wet. They'll probably put a little water down, but it ain't real muddy. I think it'll probably be good.
up.